All right, folks. Looks like the internet just got a little less fun. The new age verification rules are rolling out, and that means certain sites, you know which ones, might suddenly start asking for a peek at your ID before you can get in. And we're not just talking about obvious adult stuff here. Some forums, community platforms, maybe even social media sites could be caught up in this. Reddit, Discord, certain streaming sites. And, of course, the one with the orange logo that's definitely about agriculture and corn appreciation. How do they know to block you? Your IP address. It's basically your online postcode, and it tells websites roughly where you are. If it says UK, well, you might be seeing more access denied or verify your age pages than you'd like. And sure, you could hand over your ID, but who's really comfortable with having their name attached to some random websites? Here's the thing. You don't have to jump through those hoops. There are tools out there that let you appear like you're somewhere else entirely. Click, connect, and suddenly the internet feels a lot more open again. Plus, as a bonus, these tools add an extra layer of privacy so your browsing stays your business. Personally, I stick with providers that are fast, reliable, and trusted, like NordVPN and Surfshark. NordVPN gives you incredible speed and top-tier security. Surfshark lets you protect as many devices as you want under one account, so your phone, laptop, and tablet are all covered. If you want to check out the ones I use, head to thevpnlist.com. Right now, NordVPN is over 70% off, Surfshark is over 60% off, and both have extra months free. The link's in the pinned comment below. No dodgy coupons, just real working offers. So, protect your privacy, enjoy the web the way it was meant to be, and let me know in the comments which one did you choose.